I just had 8 Oreos for breakfast. Hashtag wedding planning? Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are talking all about bridal showers. So if you've read the caption, you know that I had a Friends theme bridal shower. I'll talk to you about that soon, but let's talk about bridal showers. All right, bridal shower 101. First off, who plans the bridal shower? Typically, it's going to be your mom, your mother-in-law, your maid of honor, your bridesmaids, one of your closest friends, or family members. Now, someone usually steps up and says, hey, I want to throw your bridal shower. But if that isn't the case, then go ahead and talk to your bridesmaids and your maid of honor and kind of see who wants to get involved. It might even be better for them to help plan it as a group, as there is some cost to it and a lot of planning, a lot of time goes into it. So maybe get a group together and figure out who would be best to help plan this day for you. Next up is going to be your theme. Now, you can pick any theme you want. Obviously, I went for the Friends TV show theme, which was awesome. You could do your favorite TV show, your favorite movie. You could do colors. You could do black and white. You could do gold and silver. Maybe a garden theme party, a mimosa theme, champagne. Anything that you think would be great for you that kind of represents you, go for it. You can have your the planners go ahead and decide on a theme for you, or you can help them out and give them a theme. It's kind of a lot easier if you help them a little bit. Make a Pinterest board. Kind of pin things that you like, that you think would be fun to have, and help them kind of get the theme and decor started. Another thing to think about is gifts. Now, we've heard from a lot of brides, and I was kind of the same, that you didn't really need household items, especially if you're already living with your fiancé, or if you're an older bride, you know, say in your 30s, where you've been living out on your own for 10 plus years, you already have your household stuff, then you probably aren't going to need more dishes or silverware or anything like that. Now, just because you have all of your household stuff doesn't mean that you can't do household items for your bridal shower. You can always upgrade. You could get better dishes, better towel sets, whatever you need for your house, stuff that you wouldn't buy for yourself. Go ahead and do a registry that you want and have a list that your guests can come pick out and choose things that you'll actually love. But if you're more towards the side of you have all your household stuff, then go ahead and find a fun theme that you would love. A stock the bar bridal shower is a great way to either stock your reception bar or stock your bar at home. If you guys like to have lots of drinks or lots of people over, that's a great idea for that one. You could do a lingerie party, which is always super fun and very sexy. Or you could do like what we did as a date night theme. And that's what all of these are that I would like to show you about my shower. We did a date night theme where each person had an idea of a date and they kind of brought a basket or a gift card or a card or tickets or whatever it was that allows us to go on an awesome date together. Whatever you end up deciding for gifts, just make sure your guests know what the theme is and make it kind of easy for them. Maybe give them examples or have your planner give them examples of what you're wanting. And you can even have a registry list to make it a lot easier for them. Now for the fun part. I want to share my Friends theme bridal shower with you. My maid of honor is my youngest sister, Cassia, and her and I and the rest of all my sisters and mom are huge Friends fans, and Cassia is probably the best at all of the quotes. She knows everything that happens. She can tell you, name any episode and she'll tell you what happens. So she was the perfect one to plan this, and it turned out so awesome. First off was the food. She stuck to the theme. She did Nestle Toulouse's cookies for Phoebe's cookies. She did finger sandwiches and even had a little crock pot with chili cans in it and says, ooh, you went one too far. If you know Friends, you know the chili is on Phoebe and it's when they're planning a bridal shower. Hilarious. I love that little touch in there. She had a sign that says, Joey doesn't share food. I got the hummus, if you know from Friends. I know. A lot of these are insider information, insider quotes that if you're not a Friends fan, you probably won't understand. But it was so perfect for me and my family, and some of my friends got it too, which was awesome. She just did a great job. So first off were the invitations. They were very Friends themed with the Friends door frame. It says, please join us for an exclusive episode of Friends, the one with Sarah's bridal shower. Very cute. And in there, they had a card telling that they wanted to do a date night themed gift because we have all of our household stuff already. And so that's what all of these are for. And my guests really showed up. They did some awesome gifts, such great ideas that I want to share with you. Also on the Friends theme, my sister did these gift bags, the one where Sarah gets married. They were kind of favors for everyone to take home. She had awesome decorations. She had a big old banner that says she found her lobster. She made me this beautiful sash that says the one where I'm the bride. Just really great decorations. Central Perk poster, the poster that's above Monica's TV. She had the whole house decked out, just tons of Friends stuff. If you were a Friends fan, you would get it all, and it was beautiful. Plus, there was an awesome mimosa bar, which I don't think a bridal shower is ever complete without a mimosa bar. So my mom, Cassia, and all my sisters did such a great job on it, and I really felt the love. But I want to share with you these awesome date night gifts that I got. I was so excited with all of the creativity that these ladies put into these gift baskets and the gift ideas. We got some dinner gift cards. One lady gave me dinner and dessert, which are my favorites. There's also, we got some tickets to a play. My sister gave us tickets to go do an escape room, which is Bart and my favorite date idea. So we are excited to go do that. We also got some more dinner gift certificates to go out. And let me show you some of these gift baskets. Bart and I are huge movie fans. For those of you that don't know, I actually majored in television and film, and I work in television. But we love movies. We always have movie date nights. And my friend who knows that got us this date night, movie night basket. And inside you could see there's popcorn kernels, lots of candy, and then there's popcorn seasonings in here. There's sweet Maui onion, buffalo wings, cheese pizza, and sugar cookie. So what's awesome about this is that these can be used every movie night. So this will be more than just one date night. So that's a cute idea. The next date night, and you're probably wondering why I have this Cars bucket up here. And this one was probably one of the most creative dates. It was actually wrapped up all the way with tissue paper and everything, and then it had a cute Cars Lightning McQueen balloon, which actually is left at my mom's because the kids were playing with them, and I could not find it when it was time to leave, but I will go find that. This lady did this super cute gift bucket. It says Bart and Sarah, and inside she has a bunch of Cars-themed items. So there's tattoos, there's a piston cup ribbon, winter ribbon, hot tamales, what is this? Gobstoppers, a Frisbee, and some bracelets. And so I was kind of trying to figure it all out, put it together, and then inside there's actually these Lightning McQueen cups that have passes. So they're lanyards, and it's a season pass. These are so cute. Okay. So lanyard, and it's our season pass to Speed Zone in Los Angeles. And Speed Zone is like a go-kart racing kind of place. So Bart and I get to go go-kart racing kind of whenever we want because we have season passes now. And we get to have the big kid date, which we love. We love these adrenaline, fun, exciting dates. And this was just absolutely perfect for us. So she definitely knows us. This was such a creative date, and I love it. Next up, we have this basket right here. If you can see right now, it's kind of like a mixing bowl and a bunch of stuff inside. I'm going to have Bart skip out me opening it because it's really loud. Okay, so inside, it's actually a baking kit, like a cookie baking kit. This is an awesome bowl for mixing, and it came with, so cute. It came with a bunch of utensils that you can use for your baking. Then there's this cookbook. It's a cookie cookbook. And there are so many cookie recipes in here that I'm going to be baking cookies forever. So many different cookies. 365 cookies. There you go. It also has a bunch of these really cute cookie cutouts, all very tropical. There's the palm tree and the pineapple and a bird. I don't really know what kind of bird this is because there's a flamingo in here. A unicorn. And then a flamingo. So those are cute. Make themed cookies. And then there's also these matching aprons, which is perfect. It's a Mrs. apron with the lips and a Mr. apron, which is perfect for my Mr. because he has a mustache. So Mr. Mustache, matching aprons with the mixing bowl. Cute cookie, cooking, baking gift kit. So cute. I love it. Then this next one is another gift card for dinner inside, but she did something a little unique. She has instructions in the back for what we're supposed to do at dinner, and she included these cards where Bart and I are supposed to write love letters to each other. She even put the card to Sarah, the card to Bart, and she added pens for us to actually sit down and write these cards out. And then we're supposed to read them out loud to each other while playing footsies under the table romantically. So super cute, very creative. Love that idea. Then we have this gift basket, which is huge. It is this basket. It says Bart and Sarah on the front. It has these like napkins, and it is a s'mores gift basket. It says, Sarah, there's always room for s'more. And inside, it actually comes with 4 s'mores bar combinations, s'mores recipes. So that's cool. And inside, it has everything that you would need to make s'mores. She has the sticks for us. And then a whole thing of candies, all these different kinds of candies to try the different kinds of s'mores. The cool thing about this is that they're in these like food saver containers that I've actually been looking at getting. So there's actually 3 in here that are all different sizes. So this is like kind of a double gift. It also comes with, of course, the marshmallows. And they're the giant marshmallows, perfect for s'mores. And, of course, the graham crackers. And also she put in Ritz crackers for like different, the recipes. So I'll have to read the recipes and see what kind of s'mores we can make with those. But she also, this lady is amazing with her creativity and all the things she does. She's always a step above everything. She also added sweet little things. She added this fireside candle. In case we don't have a fireplace to do this, we can pretend with the fireside candle. And matches. And she also got us these canned heat containers. So if we don't have a fire, we can make it inside. We can make it on the patio. She kind of did it all. So that's really cute. And of course, because she knows me, she added some hot chocolate in there. So this was super cute. Very creative. Very well done. S'mores date. It's great. Okay, so the last basket I have here is this stargazing basket. Oh, look at this. It's full of treats and full of awesome drinks and stuff. So it had this, she put it in this really cute basket, and of course a nice cozy blanket. I keep telling Bart, you can never have too many blankets, and I totally agree with that. This basket came with 2 bottles of wine, and it came with my favorite candy bar and some of Bart's favorite beef jerky. She also put in some hot chocolate with these mugs that are actually, they're double-walled for hot and cold drinks. They're the copper mugs that we actually really love. So we can have the hot chocolate in there or the wine. And lots of Reese's, again, my favorite. She knows me well, with some sour gummies. So this is a cute little stargazing basket. So we get to go stargazing, go cozy up, and kind of check out what's around. So I also got another gift bag full of some lingerie, which I'm not going to show here, but just kind of a sexy night, date night after we get married. The tickets to a play in LA that we get to go see, the escape room that we're so excited about, lots of different dinner dates. They did really great. There was one more gift that I don't have right now because it's a huge cooler, like those igloo ice coolers. It's one of the ones in the wheels. We could take to the beach, take camping, take fishing, wherever we go. But inside, they did a very special date idea, and I'll show you just a couple quick ones. It came with this card that says, in this igloo, you will find things that aren't romantic by anyone else's standards, but for our family, each of these items are symbols of love that last through a lifetime. Our hope is that you find date nights and romance in the little things and build your own story. P.S. Follow the numbers on the cards. So when I opened up this cooler, there were 9 of these little cards that each explained what the items were. So some of the items were something like this rose. It was a lot prettier, but it's a little smashed. But this rose in this vase. And they just explained that that was like their grandpa and grandma's tradition, where the grandpa would always cut a beautiful rose for his wife. They also gave us stuff like this. It's a Diet Coke and Snickers bar, where the lady that gave this to me, her husband, years and years ago, they've been married for like 20-something, 30-something years, on one of their first anniversaries, they couldn't afford to buy presents, and he had enough to go buy their favorites, Diet Coke and Snickers. So stuff like that. There were 9 of these things that were just very personal to them, and it was the most special thing. Also in that cooler was a full-size turkey, again, with the glasses and the hat, which was perfect to go with the Friends theme. So they were super creative again, and just very sentimental, and I really loved that gift. It was very personalized and sweet. So if you're looking for any date ideas to give to the bride, or if you're looking for an idea of what to do for your bridal shower, I think that these date ideas were a huge hit. We're so excited. Now we get to go on all these dates that we don't have to plan. It's already planned for us, and we get to go have some fun. So I definitely recommend it. I was also very lucky and blessed with another great family. Bart's family threw me a surprise bridal shower in Chicago. They weren't going to be able to make it to LA, so they actually threw their own for me. We were supposed to be going to a bridal show and to lunch, and when I showed up at lunch, it was all of Bart's family and friends, all the women there, just blessing me, and they did everything crazy. You know, it was a huge lunch, a huge spread of sweets tables, lots of presents. I got very emotional in that one, mainly because I'm just so blessed to marry into such a great new family. You know, I get to double this awesome family in size now, and these people were just so loving and just generous, and it really touched me. And I have been so blessed with both of these showers. I have so many people that love me, and I see it. I know that. And these showers were just awesome. So just thank you, everybody. And I hope you have a great shower. If you have any questions about trying to plan a shower, what you should do, go ahead and leave a comment below. We'll try to help you out. And hopefully you get a good maid of honor, or your mom, or somebody to help plan a beautiful shower for you as well. All right, that's it for this one. I hope you have a great day, and we will see you soon.